Another day, another learning, using AI. Here are the general steps for developing a website using WordPress and Elmentor. Purchase a domain name and hosting. Before you can start building your website, you'll need to purchase a domain name, for example www.example.com, and hosting, which is where your website's files and data will be stored. Install WordPress. Once you have a domain and hosting, you'll need to install WordPress on your server. You can do this by using the one-click install feature provided by your hosting company, or by manually installing WordPress. Install Elmentor. After installing WordPress, you can install the Elmentor Page Builder plugin. This plugin will allow you to create custom page layouts and designs using a drag-and-drop interface. Choose a theme. Next, you'll need to choose a theme, a pre-designed template, for your website. WordPress has a large repository of free and paid themes that you can choose from. Design your pages. Using Elmentor, you can now start designing your pages by adding and customizing different elements such as text, images, and buttons. Add content. Once your pages are designed, you can add your content, text, images, videos, etc., to your pages. Publish your website. Once you have added all your content, you can preview your website and make any final changes. Once you are satisfied with the final product, you can publish your website by clicking the Publish button in WordPress. Customize your website settings. Finally, you can customize your website settings such as SEO, security, and analytics by installing additional plugins or editing your website's code. It's important to note that these steps are general guidelines, and the specifics of your website development process may vary depending on your specific requirements and website design.